have a quick look at the indices, Dow Jones, SP 500, Nasdaq. What's going on right now? A bit of a technical analysis update on what's happening right now. Let's get straight into it. Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty, guys, let's have a quick little update on the stock market to see what's going on and what may or may not be happening moving forward. Moving forward onto the Dow Jones, we can see that we still have had this very big long leg to the upside. But right now, you can see I've got a bit of Fibonacci line here. Let me just remove that. But you can see that we still have this gap through here that could be taking place and that could be getting ready for that could be getting filled soon. It's really interesting to see whether we do get filled or not. My sort of betting is that if I'm a betting man, I would say we're probably going to come down and fill this first before we start to make a move up. But hey, you know, it's a different era right now, so we may just be continuing up. One thing we can see is we're still stuck in this overall sort of, as you can see, very tight triangle pattern through here, and you can see that we're very squeezing up through here. So that's actually telling me, guys, depending on where we break out through on this little sort of channel, if we break up, then we're probably likely to just go up and not close the gap for a while. But if we do come down, we're probably likely to come down, close the gap, and then I see a nice move coming up. Moving over through to the S&P 500, and sort of the same thing, but we have no gap through here. If we do get a retracement, I do believe, if we do see a retracement, I do believe that we're likely to see a retracement back down to at least 3,400 to maybe even 3,440 before we find some significant support, and then up we go again. I am I think 2021 is going to be a very bullish year for the overall markets. But on a short-term basis, guys, I personally would like to see a bit of a pullback anyway. For me to start getting into some of these indices, as we can see. But we can see that we have been in sort of this channel now for quite some time. You can see it squeezing up into like a bit of a wedge. So same as the Dow Jones, if we do break up, then we're probably likely to see a move. And if we do break up, then we could start to see a move back up towards, say, 4,000. I've got this very long-term channel, this long-term sort of trend line. So on a rough estimate anyway, we could probably see even a 4,000 plus on the S&P if we do start to break up and then go for maybe that Santa Claus rally. Moving over through to the Nasdaq, and the Nasdaq has not been doing the same as the S&P 500. The Nasdaq has been continuing just to move up on a very strong basis. We were going sideways through here for quite some time, but now we can see the market is now continuing up. So I believe we're likely to continue up to this top of the trend line here. So I think the Nasdaq has a long way to go. So I see a 14,000 plus Nasdaq coming real soon. I don't know exactly what the timing of that, but you know, maybe it's going to happen in a few months, or maybe it's going to happen 6 months. I don't know, but I do see a lot more upside coming into these indices. So right now, guys, S&P 500, Dow Jones is very sort of what's going to happen here, but the Nasdaq is just powering along very strong. Traders, I am running a flash sale to my brand new breakthrough online trading course. Normally I sell it for $4.95, but just for $7 today. I'm doing this as a way of giving back. It's the end of the year, and I really want to help you move forward. If you're struggling in your trading right now, then I'm doing this just to help you out, just $7. And you can see what you're going to get all through here. Top deadly mistakes, 10K per month plan. You've got chart reading techniques, a couple of powerful trading systems, the number one indicator, the mind frame, the final steps, so much more. You get so much. So if you're struggling in trading right now, or if you need some help getting started in the markets right now, or if you're confused, you're on the wrong track, you don't know what's going on, that's what this course is for, because I've designed it to help you have a breakthrough. But I'm only doing it over the next few days as a way of giving back. So go to johnsflashsale.com right now, johnsflashsale.com right now, because once it's gone, it's gone. So go to johnsflashsale.com right now, grab the $7 before time runs out. So go to johnsflashsale.com, grab it, and I look forward to hearing from you about how it's helped you have your breakthrough. Go to johnsflashsale.com right now, and I look forward to seeing you real soon.